그러니까. 고마를 따지는 파지도에는 물때에는 그걸 딴집을 안 붙잡아서 जो जुड़े हमें जो हमें जुए नहीं हो
ก็ยินเสียงที่มันบนเรือ또 많이 명품을 많이 하고 있는
Those full finger picks. And they waved goodbye and walked away. Those 6. 4 from the left and 4 from the right met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called Bend It Straight. When they waved goodbye and walked away, those 8. 5 from the left and 5 from the right met in the middle and danced all night. They made up a dance called clap and clap and clap and clap again. Then they waved goodbye and walked away. All 10.
So thanks again for coming today. The Red Wolves have been talking and practicing and playing all year to be ready to sing that for you today. And they also spent a lot of time exploring different careers for our Packer profile with Austin Public Schools. So now Miss Michelle is going to introduce each graduate. They're going to walk across the bridge. They're going to stop at the top and smile for you so you can take a picture. And she's going to tell you what they said they want to be when they grow up.
Okay, sorry. I wasn't here Thursday when we practiced. Okay, so Sophia, when she grows up, would like to be a doctor. So here's the And then Christopher, when he grows up, wants to be a teacher. up, she would like to be a nurse. When Everly grows up, she would like to be a cat sitter. When Savvy grows up, he wants to be an astronaut. When Scarlett grows up, she would like to be a mom. Autumn B would like to be a teacher. Colton would like to be a police officer. And Anya would like to be a
Yo puedo hablar. करिए जिंदा तो करिए कोई नहीं.
We'd also like to thank the amazing team that has worked with our students this year, Miss Michelle, Miss Bobby, Miss Ailey, Miss Jenny, and Miss Bob. Please give them a round of applause. So a few housekeeping notes. The students are going to recess into the cafeteria where you can follow them. You will have some cookies and some lemonade, and we have some cute backdrops. We're going to take your pictures in front of with your graduates. And then if you would like them to stay at school, great, that's what we want. If you'd like to take them with you, you can sign them out with Miss Michelle. And don't forget we have school tomorrow, so make sure they come back tomorrow. Thanks again for coming.
आप फोटोग्राफर कौन सा आप फोटोग्राफर तो पारिया नहीं तो नहीं